Apa, sir.
So, good morning once again, sir. So, we are the JACR Design and Building Corporation, which is, as of today, we are going to present to you our architectural designs. So, for the next slide, we have here our main output, which is the so-called Himaya. So this one we have, as you can, this one observe, as we can see here, we have the Himaya. So this one, we call this one the Southern Light, which is, we have in Luzon, the Manila, the Visayas, Cebu, but here in Mindanao, that is Davao City. So for this presentation, we have a moon type, which is, we can see that in the perspective, we have a lot of how do you say this one? This one, which we can post or we can have promotional. Okay. So for the next slide, we have for the last time, so which is for the evening. So this one, a little bit of information or inspiration about our perspective.
So, the design of Himaya building suggests a sophisticated blend of modern industrialism and tropical minimalism, as you can see in its facade. Okay, it manages to look imposing yet approachable, bridging the gap between a high-end department store and a community-centric hub. So the design of this building is inspired with an industrial elegance concept. So the building utilizes a kit of quartz architectural approach where different textures and lighting layered together to create a visual interest. So, for the facade, it combines a doored facade, vertical corrugated metal panels, and with the light textured stone or concrete in this part. So, it breaks the okay. This creates a balance between a rough and refined look for a building. Then, over here, as you can see, this is the central glass arc. It is a modern nod to the traditional town squares or grand entryways. It breaks the rectangular monotony of the building, acting as the heart that draws the eye inward and showcases the activity inside. So for this part, the staggered horizontal light strips are inspired by modern technology and it suggests movement. So unlike these lights make the building look like a glowing motherboard or a high-tech terminal suggests progress and energy. So for the name itself, Himaya is a Visayan or Cebuano word which means glory, praise, or bliss. Now the bright glowing light and prestige feel of the stone facade align with the idea of something glorious and celebrated. And that's how we come up with the overall concept design for the perspective of our building.
Okay, so at this point of time, my co-manager will say to you about the vicinity.
So good morning again, sir. This is our vicinity map. It is where our building is located. It is in the area of Toyota and in front of DGT or Davao Township. So why we chose this? It is actually a very strategic why we chose that one because knowing or putting a commercial building, especially near or in front of DGT, was just considered, we cannot deny the fact that DGT is the growing BGC of Davao City. It is considered as a premier, a bustling and high traffic intersections linking the major districts. And as you can see, DGT, there's a lot of people going in there. This location offers a high visibility for the customers. If you are the client, there's no need for you to put a lot of money for advertisements because it already offers high visibility and easy access. So next we have the land.
So for the land that, sir, we have in here the whole land area. As we can see on this part, the total land or the whole land area that we've come up is ganito siya kalaki, sir. Pero we've chosen the land area na on this part, which is on this side sa vicinity map is the road, which is shown sa previous slide. And that's this lot, sir, can be seen clearly kapag if we are riding a jeep, a DC na bus. And just a additional information, this lot that we've chosen, sir, can, it's close to some of the biggest mall. We have NCCC, SF Ecoland, or schools that also serve. We have Himalaya, the University of Mindanao, and the NU, which is the upcoming. And we also have near the Davao Light, and we have also near the Water District, which is plausible or goods for commercial industries. Next.
Next, we have our SDP or Site Development Plan. This is our proposed four-story commercial building, the building footprint. As you can see, sir, there's a lot of for parking because we believe that if you want to satisfy your customers, you want them to have a full experience, then we're going to offer them a good customer service. And we think that giving or prioritizing the parking areas is actually a sign of customer service. For as you can see, there's a lot of big establishments here in Davao City, but it's so hard to go there that parang sometimes hindi mo na mabalik-balikan because it's so hard na mag-park kung saan ka banda. Even in BGT, there's a quantity factors, but sometimes when you go there, especially in weekends, when you grab a coffee or just jog, it's so hard kung saan maghanap kung saan ka magpa-park. So we prioritize in front of our building the big and then naka-arrange na din ang mga daanan for parking areas. So in here we have our ground floor plan, sir. So our building has a dimension of 54 meters by 20 meters. So for 54 meters in the front and then 20 meters on the side. So the ground floor comprises of some rentable spaces varying in different sizes. All in all, there are 20 rentable spaces. Of course, we have here our supermarket, our storage room, and our EA and ME room. Okay, we also have here our open space for serves as entertainment hall. Of course, in this part we have our elevator. Okay, we put it right in front of the building for easy access, especially for those persons who will use it. For example, PWDs and of course our senior citizens. So it's really easy because it's right really near or in front of the entrance. And over here we have our customer service room, our rentable spaces, and of course, hindi mawawala yung ating common toilets for both male and female. So next, okay. By the way, I forgot, we have also one emergency exit for the ground floor. Okay, next one, we have here our second floor plan. So in this area, in this floor, it comprises of a department store, and of course we have here our food court with 6 food stalls, and of course we have also rentable spaces and stalls, okay, for merchants. Of course, yes, there is also our common toilet, and for this floor area we have 3 emergency. So moving up to our having lower levels, so the third and fourth cater for the professional offices and boutique business spaces. So this landlord prioritize productivity and quieter environment while maintaining an easy access for the client. So in third floor plan, this is the primary hub for our professional services. We optimize this layout so to provide a varied spaces units that can accommodate clinics, law firms, and other corporate offices. So notice the centralized hallway system, which ensures efficient foot traffic and easy access for navigating for the elevator. So in this floor, we have 3 emergency exits. So the fourth floor plan, this is offers the most premium spaces. In here, there are 5 rentable spaces in which this can allow one large tenant to occupy the entire floor. Or in here, we do the modular partitions. The tenant can change the whole area to change into the entire, or it can be subdivided into different units. Next, please. For the rooftop plan, this is designated for our centralized water system or for the portable water tank or the sanitary water tank. In here, we also have the stairs going to the fourth floor, and it also have one exit. Okay, here is the example of the front elevation for our building. So in here, you cannot see it properly, sir, but this is a 150 mm ground floor finish floor. Okay, so this is the 150 mm ground floor and or finished floor plan. So it is a distance from the natural ground to the foot of the building talaga. Then for the first floor, it is elevated with 3,500 mm. This is from floor to ceiling, and then we added 300 mm for slab and the beams for the next second floor, finished floor line, and then also from second, third, and to fourth floor, it has an elevation of 3,000 mm. Then over here at the top, we added 1,500 mm for parapet, and that's all for the elevations.
So at this point in time, I'm going to talk about the schedules and our doors, sir. So as you can see here, we have the 7 types of the doors. First is we have in here the door 1, which is can be located at the front of our so-called Himaya commercial building, and we have also at the back. So we have in here for the door 2, we have the I cannot see it clearly, but as we can see here for the door 2, this is just this one. This is what we call the this one. Okay, we have the swing frameless glass door, which is the location is at the. Okay, we have in here we have 11 sets, which is rentable offices and rentable spaces. For our door 3, we have the swing frameless glass door, which is we follow the measurement, which is the 2,300 mm and 1,000 mm. We have in here, we have this swing frameless glass door also, which is can be located at the rentable spaces and the customer services, which is located at our ground floors. We have 8 sets for that one. And we have also the so-called wooden panel door with aluminum accent and 1 set Yale lever nav. So we have in here the locations of this one. We have the electronics and mechanical engineering storage room. We have only two sets of these doors. So at the bottom side, which is the door number 5 or door type 5, we have in here at the bottom, we have the PVC door with lovers on PVC jack, which is can be seen in our rentable offices, and also in our rentable offices, which is in our comfort room. So we have 9 sets for that one. And for our door number 6, which is the one in panel door with metal handle and metal door jump, which is can be located or can be seen in our emergency exits. We have a 10 sets for that one. For our last type of door, which is the marine plywood door or single swing lang siya. So we have in here, can be seen on the common toilet, which is medyo marami siya. We have 52 sets for that one. So for the schedule of doors, we chose this as our doors in order for us, our customers, sir, na they can appreciate the different types of doors that we have. So for that last, sir.
So our building Himaya offers a diverse services from rentable spaces, offices, supermarkets, and etc. that will surely pull a lot of diverse customers from customers that work in offices, students, and etc. So that will be all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.